Meaning of Guardian Reader.
Guardian Reader.
Guardian Reader.
Guardian Reader.
Guardian Reader. The term guardian reader typically refers to someone who is perceived as having left-leaning political views and values. The Guardian newspaper is known for its progressive stance on social issues, environmental concerns, and international politics. Therefore, the term guardian reader is often used to describe individuals who share these viewpoints and are seen as politically liberal or socially conscious. However, it should be noted that not all readers of The Guardian necessarily hold these beliefs, and the label is often used as a stereotype or generalization.